Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We've been using this for the past year or so. It is time to stop using a chair to reach the higher cabinets. I got a comment many videos ago saying to make a simple step stool. Let's do some research and see what's out there. These are the two videos I watched. This guy and this one over here. I think I like the 2x6 better than the 2x4. Let's go pick those up. We are back from Home Depot. I also picked up some fasteners and some new sandpaper for my multi-tool over here. It's looking a little worn down. Let's get everything unloaded and make our cuts. I got all the pieces cut and sanded. They look way better. Going to use the pocket hole jig. I marked a few dots so I know where to drill, and hopefully this will get them to look a little bit more even. I was previously just eyeballing it. Let's get to work. I really like how the videos got me to focus on clamping. I used to hold it by hand and fasten and things would move around. Now everything is nice and lined up. I think I'm going to paint at this stage. Use this wood stain for the top and a white dead flat for the bottom. Let's paint. Everything has been drying overnight and looks pretty good, ready for the top to be fastened down. I put this in first before painting, just made sense to me. I bought this for my plywood projects. It is what we have, so it will be what we use. I went a little heavy on the sanding, but I think it gives it a nice worn down barn house look. I had so much fun building this. I haven't done too much woodworking because we've been so busy with all the rain stuff because it is raining right now in California and holiday stuff. Video number 107 done.